what is cost estimation when we think about chemical process engineering and plant design? In a few words, cost estimation is the prediction and assembly of the amount of money needed to do a project. Before installing a compressor, installing a propylene plant, a hydrogen plant, or a air separation unit, the company will perform a cost estimation to verify if the amounts of money needed to do that project in comparison with the expectation of profits makes sense or not. So based on that, the cost estimation engineer uses different techniques to do the cost estimation. We, as a chemical process engineer in plant design, we are responsible for the first selections of equipment and process, and that influences the work of the cost engineer. So based on that, in my point of view, it's very important that you get familiar with this discipline because it will help you to perform better your job as a chemical process engineer.